Uy! Mismo? Wala ka namang karapatan eh. Sabay na mismo. Walang ganon! Ay!
Minsan, hindi lang naman what if. Tinatanong ko rin kayo kung alam mo yung feeling na nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. At alam kong alam na alam mo yung feeling na yun kasi talagang ngayon nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. Pero hindi mo maamin, di ba? Hindi mo maamin na ikaw na lang ang tagabuhay ng conversation nyo. Kakapagod mag-isip ng topic, no? Pero what if namimiss ka rin niya? Namimiss ka rin niya, pero ayaw ka na lang niya talagang balikan. Kasi natatakot siya baka maulit yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Natatakot siya na maranasan niya ulit kung ano man yung na-feel niya noon. Pero kung usapang miss lang naman, malay mo naman. What if... What if ilang oras na siyang hindi nagre-reply sa'yo? Hirap, no? Sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na okay lang yun. Malakas ako. Kaya ko naman eh. Kahit di siya mag-reply. Pero what if may kinakausap naman na pala talaga, diba? What if nakaschedule ka pala?
The stars fade their light as the moon and sun.
Minsan, hindi lang naman what if. Tinatanong ko rin kayo kung... Alam mo yung feeling na nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo? At alam kong alam na alam mo yung feeling na yun kasi talagang ngayon nawawalan na siya ng gana sa'yo. Pero hindi mo maamin, di ba? Hindi mo maamin na ikaw na lang ang tagabuhay ng conversation nyo. Kakapagod mag-isip ng topic, no?
I am telling you the truth. Those who hear my words and believe in him who sent me have eternal life. They will not be judged, but have already passed from death to life. I am telling you the truth. The time is coming. The time has already come when the dead will hear the voice of the Son of God. And those who hear it will come to life. Just as the Father is himself the source of life. In the same way, he has made his Son to be the source of life. And he has given the Son the right to judge because he is the Son of Man. Because I am not trying to do what I want, but only what he who sent me wants. If I testify on my own behalf, what I say is not to be accepted as real proof. And I know that what he says about me is true. You study the scriptures because you think that in them you will find eternal life. And these very scriptures speak about me, yet you are not willing to come to me in order to have life. I am not looking for human praise, but I know what kind of people you are. And I know that you have no love for God in your hearts. I have come with my Father's authority, but you have not received me. When, however, someone comes with his own authority, you will receive him. You like to receive praise from one another, but you do not try to win praise from the one who alone is God. How then can you believe me? Do not think, however, that I am the one who will accuse you to my Father. Moses, in whom you have put your hope, is the very one who will accuse you. If you had really believed Moses, you would have believed me, because he wrote about me. But since you do not believe what he wrote, how can you believe what I say? Get up. Pick up your mat and walk. You're well now. So stop sinning, or something worse may happen to you.